Look at this moody fella. Yo, what up and welcome to the cupboard. We're going to be doing a screen comparison, a display comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the iPhone X. Jumping on in here straight into the iPhone 10, the iPhone X. Brightness is at full and the brightness on the Galaxy S9 is also full. Now on the iPhone you have a resolution of 2436 by 1125 and you cannot change the mode of the display. However, on the Galaxy S9 here, if we go on into display, you can change the resolution, which only impacts in certain applications, but we've got it ramped up to 2960 by 1440. You can also change the screen mode from basic to AMOLED photo, AMOLED cinema and adaptive display, and as you can see the colors are reflective of the changes that you make, and you can make further changes down here. But for the purposes of this comparison we're going to be using the basic settings. Just bear in mind you can change it here as well. So let's jump on into some photos. Straight into a selfie taken a few years ago now, and the first thing that you'll notice is the Galaxy S9's colors are more vibrant and a little bit more darker than the iPhone 10s. So the iPhone X appears to have more true to life skin tones, I'm going to say, compared to the Galaxy S9. Look at the colours on my jacket here, definitely more vibrant. And if you look at the clouds in the background there, the Galaxy S9's clouds are a little bit more bluer than the slightly washed out clouds on the iPhone X here. But if we just do a quick, whoops, maybe too much on the iPhone there, and yeah, that's definitely more apparent. The colours in the skin tones are definitely more vibrant on the Galaxy S9, but I think if you look at the detail on the stubble on the iPhone X, that seems more defined and more detailed than the Galaxy S9, certainly to me. Lion, in the words of DJ Khaled. So if we just double tap in here and move this a little bit back, same goes here. Incredibly detailed photo across both handsets here. You can see the hairs across all the devices here. The iPhone X, incredibly detailed. Noticeably, the Samsung Galaxy S9 is providing a warmer tone, as we saw in the previous photograph, but incredibly detailed across both. Look at the detail under the eyes there compared to the Galaxy S9. The iPhone 10, the iPhone X, definitely looking more detailed. Certainly in my opinion, on the face here, and the hair follicles seem to be more standing out compared to the Galaxy. But on the outskirts here, the iPhone X, also along the top here, seems to be washing out those colors in terms of the higher brightness on the photograph, whereas the Galaxy still seems to be maintaining those details. A random eye here, but the iPhone X again seems to be washing out those colors a little bit where it's a bit too bright maybe compared to the Galaxy. The Galaxy naturally has those warmer tones compared to the iPhone, but if we get in here you'll see, making that just about the right size. Incredible amount of detail again across both. Eyelashes are defined, the colors are absolutely awesome. You'll notice the hair follicles along the top across both devices here. Awesome amount of detail. Again, the Galaxy appearing slightly warmer. Jumping into video now from the most popular platform on the planet, YouTube, you've guessed it. So what we're going to be doing is running 4K content across both in the highest setting that they will take. They're connected up to the same Wi-Fi access point. So the highest one that this can take is 1440p at 60 frames per second. That's a Galaxy S9. And the iPhone here can take, whoopsie, quality at 1080p at 60 frames per second. So I will leave a link down in the description box below to this particular video. Ready to rock? Awesome amounts of detail across both. Look at the red underneath the skateboard on the Galaxy S9 there, appearing more vibrant than the iPhone, even though we've got the basic mode for the screen. The chrome on the iPhone definitely standing out there. Incredible amount of detail. Hair being shown off across both devices. Both looking absolutely stunning. The trees appearing slightly more detailed on the Galaxy S9, and in that previous shot the colors definitely more warmer Look at the skin of the snake there on the Galaxy S9. To me, seems a little bit more detailed than the iPhone X. Absolutely stunning though across both. Colours being appearing slightly, ever so slightly washed out on the iPhone maybe. Do let me know in the comment section down below. Look at the colour difference on the aeroplane across both there. Again, the reflections in the water, iPhone seems to be picking up on those maybe a little bit better. And the colours definitely more popping on the Galaxy S9 here. Definitely appearing a little bit warmer. The detailed on these monkeys' hairs there. Look at the detail across the top of the Taj Mahal, seeming better and more defined on the Galaxy S9 compared to the iPhone. That was a big yawn, wasn't it? Looking good across both handsets. The Galaxy S9 definitely appearing more warmer in these shots here. And look at the vibrancy of the iPhone there, absolutely stunning. Absolutely beautiful imagery here across both handsets. There's not much in it between the two, to be honest. Definitely more warmer, more redder in that previous shot on the Galaxy S9. Almost appearing more purple on the Galaxy S9 compared to the iPhone X. So guys, what did you think of the screen comparison? Do let me know in the comment section down below, because it's very rare that you would have both these devices in your hand side by side. I think the clear winner here is Samsung, because they make the screens for both the Galaxy S9 and the iPhone X. So clearly they're making a lot of money from both these handsets. But I think there's very little in it between the two. I think the difference is maybe the software processing that goes on behind the scenes that makes those ever so slight differences that we saw earlier. Either way, let me know what you thought. Please like, subscribe, and if you're new, hit that little notification bell. We've got plenty more content coming up on here. Thanks for watching. Have a wicked day, and I'll see you next time.